It was a sunny afternoon, and 5-year-old Emma and her 3-year-old sister Lily were bouncing with excitement. Today wasn't just any day. It was the day of the big sleepover with their cousins, Maya and Sophie. Ding dong! The doorbell rang. Emma and Lily raced to the door and flung it open. Maya! Sophie! They squealed, wrapping them in big bear hugs. Soon, Daddy came into the room holding a notepad with a twinkle in his eye. "Time for the riddle game," he announced. The girls jumped on the sofa, ready to solve the puzzles. Mummy and Daddy had another surprise, a special adventure treasure hunt. Each clue led the girls on a journey around the house, and even outside with torches. Back inside, the girls snuggled in blankets and told silly monster stories. Lily told one about a monster who only eats broccoli and sings opera. Then it was makeover time. They painted nails, wore sparkly stickers, and turned into glittery princesses. Next up, board games. They played snakes and ladders and Uno, trying not to wake the grown-ups with all their giggles. As they tiptoed upstairs, they spotted something twinkling on Emma's bed. "It's a sparkly surprise box!" cried Sophie. Inside were their favorite goodies: chocolate buttons, fairy clips, and stickers. The room glowed with soft fairy lights and a pink moon hanging above, just like Emma wanted. They whispered, laughed, and soon all 4 girls fell fast asleep. The next morning, after breakfast, the girls had big plans. Rock climbing, Maya's favorite. But then came a little fuss. "I want fish and chips," said Maya. "Cheesy pizza," insisted Emma. But clever Sophie had the best idea. "Let's share both." Everyone cheered. And with full tummies and happy hearts, the magical sleepover came to an end. Thanks for joining Emma, Lily, Maya, and Sophie on their magical sleepover. Don't forget to try your own treasure hunt and share a silly monster story tonight.